You know, when you see a garden just exploding with life, that's kind of what we helped happen online for gardening guru Melinda Myers. Stick around, Nova and I will dig into exactly how we cultivated that digital growth.
Welcome to Trivera's AI Deep Dive podcast, hosted by Chip and Nova, our AI co-hosts. Together, they transform top marketing insights from our blogs, articles, and events into actionable strategies you can use. Ready to dive in? Let's get started.
Welcome to this Trivera Deep Dive. I'm Nova.
And I'm Chip.
And yeah, today we're excited to unpack a really interesting project.
We're zeroing in on the story of Melinda Myers, a true icon in the gardening world. Think of her as the ultimate green thumb whisperer. From TV and radio to authoring over 20 books, plus her own DVDs. She's been sharing her plant wisdom for more than 3 decades.
That's quite a legacy. Back in 2016, Melinda partnered with us here at Trivera.
Right.
Her website was a well-established resource. I mean, it had served her well. But as her brand blossomed, her digital home started showing its age.
Yeah, the tech under the hood was becoming outdated, wasn't it?
It was, which meant things were getting a bit sluggish for her audience, you know.
Right. Frustrating for them.
And it was holding her back from doing some of the newer things she wanted to.
So the core need was really a complete digital renovation, a brand new website built from the roots up.
Pretty much, yeah.
It needed to handle a massive garden of content, perform reliably in all seasons, keep everything secure from digital pests,
always important,
and be super easy for everyone to navigate, whether you're a seasoned horticulturist or like a radio producer grabbing a soundbite.
Exactly.
Our mission for this deep dive is to dig into exactly how we tackled those needs and the real results we harvested.
You know, Chip, our process always starts with really getting into the client's head, understanding their goals from every angle.
Crucial first step.
Definitely. We kicked things off with an in-depth strategic planning and discovery phase with Melinda. It was crucial for our team to be completely on the same page as her regarding her vision for her online presence. A key question we always ask at this stage is, what does online success look like for you in the next few years?
Good question.
And Melinda's answer really helped us tailor our approach to her specific long-term goals, which, went beyond just having a new website.
Right. And from that solid strategic base, we moved into our historically proven digital marketing process.
Our proven method.
Think of it like carefully tending a plant through its life cycle. We guided the website through each vital stage strategy. Design, making sure it looked inviting and easy to use.
Yeah, user experience is key.
Then development, building it with a strong and modern infrastructure. And finally, deployment, planting it firmly online.
And the fruit of our labor was a fantastic new website built on the Concrete CMS platform. Now, for those who aren't super techie, a CMS is like the behind-the-scenes control panel for a website. Makes it easy to manage all the content.
Gotcha. Like the dashboard.
Exactly. We chose Concrete CMS because it's incredibly robust and flexible, perfect for handling the vast amount of information Melinda had.
All those gardening tips.
Oh, yeah. It was designed and developed by our team to deliver a smooth and consistent experience, whether you're browsing on a desktop, tablet, or phone.
Responsive design, basically.
Right. It's like having a responsive garden that looks great from any angle.
Nice. But just like a garden needs ongoing care, our work didn't stop after the initial launch.
Never does, really.
We believe in continuous nurturing here at Trivera and have maintained a strong, ongoing collaboration with Melinda.
It's a partnership.
Exactly. This includes regular checkups, optimizations to keep everything running smoothly, and technology upgrades to make sure she's always using the latest tools.
Absolutely. One essential part of that ongoing care is a thorough technical and design audit.
Digging in.
Our team regularly puts on our detective hats and looks for any potential weak spots, security vulnerabilities.
Can't have those.
Areas where the user experience could be even better, and any technical bottlenecks slowing things down.
Finding the performance drags.
This proactive approach allows us to address any security risks before they become a problem, ensure pages load quickly so visitors don't get impatient, guarantee the site works flawlessly on mobile devices, and create a roadmap for future enhancements.
Planning ahead. And to keep everything secure and running on the cutting edge, our team performs regular upgrades to both the Concrete CMS itself and the PHP version.
Okay, explain PHP quickly.
Sure. Now, PHP is like the underlying programming language that makes the website actually work.
Got it. The engine.
Kinda, yeah.
Update.
Keeping it up to date is crucial for security and performance, sort of like getting regular oil changes for your car.
Good analogy.
We made sure these upgrades happen seamlessly, with minimal disruption, even coordinating with Melinda's team for off-hour deployments and thorough testing
Smooth transition is key.
to ensure everything went smoothly.
And based directly on Melinda's feedback and a deep understanding of what her audience needed, our team also focused on enhancing the website's internal search functionality.
Oh, that's huge for content-heavy sites.
It really is. Think of it as giving her website visitors a super efficient way to find exactly the right plant care tip or article they're looking for, even with her massive library of content. We also made her podcasts and audio tips much more accessible.
Nice.
And streamlined how radio stations could access her audio and video content for their own broadcasts and websites.
So supporting her partners, too.
Exactly. So if you've ever heard Melinda's advice on the radio, chances are our work helped make that happen.
Very cool. And as Melinda's online presence grew, attracting more and more visitors and needing more digital storage space, what happened then?
Well, our team migrated her website to a dedicated virtual private server, or VPS.
Okay, VPS. Break that down.
Sure. Now, imagine moving from a shared apartment building to your own house. That's kind of what a VPS is like for a website.
More dedicated resources.
Exactly. Better performance and enhanced built-in security features. This ensured reliable performance during peak traffic times.
Important for popular sites.
And provided peace of mind knowing her valuable online presence was well protected.
Makes total sense.
So, Chip, after all this in-depth digital cultivation, what were the key outcomes for Melinda?
That's a great question, and we'll dive into the answer right after this short break. Don't go away.
Hi, I'm Melinda Myers. Whether you're planting your very first container garden, planning a full backyard makeover, or just trying to keep your houseplants happy and healthy, I'm here to help you grow your green thumb. I've spent over 30 years teaching gardeners of all levels through my radio segments, podcasts, books, videos, and live events across the country. Every week, I share practical tips and expert advice to make gardening easier, more rewarding, and a whole lot more fun. You can listen to my latest audio segments, watch how-to videos, find helpful resources, check out my event calendar, or find a radio station that airs my shows anytime by visiting my website, melindamyers.com. I'd love to help you dig in, get growing, and find out how you can become an expert gardener right in your own backyard. That's Melinda Myers, MYERS.com.
Hi, I'm Webster, Trivera's AI assistant, here to help businesses like yours thrive in the ever-changing digital landscape. At Trivera, we're celebrating 29 years of delivering digital marketing that drives measurable results. Since 1996, we've partnered with southeastern Wisconsin's strongest brands, blending creativity, strategy, and cutting-edge technology like me to produce success you can measure. From SEO-optimized websites and ROI-driven marketing campaigns to leveraging AI tools to analyze data and refine strategies, Trivera is the partner you can trust to help your business grow. Now, as we enter our 30th year, we're more committed than ever to pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible in digital marketing. With decades of experience and the power of AI on the team, we're ready to help you tackle whatever's next. Visit Trivera.com today and let's make 2025 the year your business thrives. Trivera, where nearly 3 decades of expertise meet the latest in technology to deliver digital marketing that converts.
Welcome back to Trivera's AI Deep Dive. Now back to our conversation with Chip and Nova.
Welcome back for the big reveal. So Nova, what were the key outcomes for Melinda?
Well, her website is now running on a robust and scalable digital foundation, built for optimal performance and long-term growth.
Solid base.
It's like planting strong roots for years of success.
Okay, let's look at the hard numbers. Comparing 2023 to 2024, the impact of Trivera's work is really clear.
Let's hear it.
Total users visiting the site increased by 5.7%.
Good start.
New users grew by 5.3%, and page views saw a healthy rise of 3.8%.
Nice steady growth.
Sessions were up by a significant 7.2%. Her average search engine position improved by a fantastic 16.5%, meaning more people are finding her through search.
That's a big one. Search visibility.
Huge. Organic traffic grew by 4%, and direct traffic saw a really substantial jump of 26%.
Wow, 26% on direct. People are coming straight to her.
Yeah. These numbers really show how the improvements we implemented have made a tangible difference in reaching and engaging her audience.
And it's not just about the numbers, right? It's about the partnership. Melinda herself shared some wonderful feedback.
Let's hear it.
She said, working with Trivera has been a true partnership. They took the time to understand my audience and goals, and they've consistently delivered smart, thoughtful solutions that help my website grow with my brand.
That's great feedback.
She added, their team is responsive, knowledgeable, and a pleasure to work with. I trust them completely to keep my digital presence strong.
Fantastic.
That kind of trust and positive feedback is what we always strive for at Trivera.
Absolutely. What's really fascinating here, I think, is seeing how a thoughtful, strategic approach to website development and ongoing maintenance, the kind of care we provide at Trivera, can have such a profound impact on someone's ability to connect with their audience and expand their brand.
Yeah, it's transformative sometimes.
It's not just about having a website. It's about having a website that actively works for you, supporting your goals and helping you flourish.
Yeah, you might even hear experts like us discussing these kinds of digital strategies on podcasts like this one, or see similar content being shared through sponsored partnerships. It's all part of how we help our clients amplify their message and share their expertise across various platforms.
Right. So for you listening in, what does all this mean? What's the takeaway?
Good question.
We hope this deep dive into our work with Melinda Myers has given you a clearer understanding of how a well-thought-out and expertly executed digital strategy, like the ones we craft here at Trivera, can lead to significant growth and real success in the online world.
Definitely.
Whether you're a solo content creator, a business owner looking to expand your reach, or simply someone curious about the digital landscape, grasping the importance of a strong online foundation is key to thriving.
It really is foundational. So if you're facing similar challenges with your online presence, maybe your website feels a bit overgrown or isn't performing as well as you'd like.
Need some weeding.
Exactly. Or if you're looking for a dedicated digital partner to help your brand truly flourish, we would absolutely love to hear from you.
Where should they go?
Head over to the Trivera website, trivera.com, to learn more about our strategic planning sessions, our website development expertise, and our ongoing support services.
Let's chat.
Let's explore how our team can help your digital presence blossom. And just think about this. What areas of your own digital presence could benefit from a little bit of a deep dive and some thoughtful cultivation?
Good question to ponder.
It might just be the seed you need to plant for some significant future growth. Thanks so much for joining us for this Trivera deep dive. We hope you found it helpful. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an episode.
Catch you next time.
Thanks for joining us on Trivera's AI Deep Dive with Chip and Nova. If you enjoyed this episode, you can find more and stay up to date with new episodes wherever you listen to podcasts, or find them on our website and our social media channels. And don't forget to visit us at Trivera.com to learn how we can help take your marketing to the next level. Ready to talk? Reach out. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.